Hey there, YouTube fam. Today, we're discussing some intriguing signs that could indicate you're expecting a baby girl. So, you're adding a new member to your family. Congratulations! Figuring out if your little one is male or female is one of the most exciting parts of being an expectant parent, and you probably want to know as soon as possible. You've come to the right video. Let's jump right into it. 13 signs of having a baby girl. Extreme morning sickness. Generally, as per old sayings of old wives, a woman facing severe morning sickness in her first trimester of pregnancy, she is having higher chances of a baby girl. Sugar cravings. Women often experience new cravings when pregnant. Some people think if a woman craves sugar, she may be carrying a girl, whereas salty cravings may indicate a boy. Faster baby heart rate. The heartbeat of a girl is usually faster than a boy. If it is faster than 140 beats per minute, then it's a baby girl. Ask your sonographer how quick their heartbeat is at your early scans. Emotional swings. If expecting mom is having sudden or unpredictable change in mood, it is taken as a sign of having a baby girl. This symptom includes extreme irritability, depression, and anger, representing having possibility of pregnancy of a girl baby. Skin acne. Expected mother may experience blisters or rashes, spots and pimples on her skin during her gestation phase, which is also taken as a symptom of having a baby girl. So if mom is having a clear and pimple-free skin, then she will have a baby boy, otherwise a baby girl. Carrying high. Old wives' tales tend to focus a lot on how your bump looks. If your bump protrudes out higher, just under your breasts, then they say this indicates you're having a girl. Breast size. It is assumed that a mother carrying a baby girl in her womb has left breast bigger in size as compared to right one. Feet changes. If you don't notice your feet swelling in pregnancy, it could be one of the signs you're having a girl. Sleep on a particular side. It is assumed that mother sleeping on her right side gives birth to a girl, and if she sleeps on left side, then she welcomes baby boy. This sign is always observed mostly in the second and third trimester. Urine color. Urine color is taken as a tool for determining sex of a baby, and it is said by old wives. If your urine is darker or a normal shade of yellow, you're having a girl, and if your urine is brighter, it's a sign you're having a boy. Your skin is oily. If your skin is oily or suddenly prone to breakouts, old wives' tales say you're having a baby girl. This is because your little girl is trying to steal your beauty. Hair condition. Another misconception is that a female fetus causes dull and thin hair. So if you have dull and thin hair during your pregnancy journey, then you have a baby girl. Linea nigra position. Some believe that the pigmentation on your stomach can predict your baby's gender. According to myth, a line that stops at the belly button means you're having a girl, while a long line that goes up toward your chest signifies a boy. So these are the 13 signs of having a baby girl. Methods for predicting a baby's sex are intended for entertainment purpose only, and should not substitute for medical evaluation. We advocate for gender equality and do not endorse sex determination. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay positive.